Hi, everyone, it's Louise with Louise McCare, and welcome to my channel. And I'm trying to burn up some paints today and try another color combination, even though this looks similar to one I've done about a month ago. I'm trying to burn up these paints. So what I've got here is metallic purple from DecoArt with some Golden's Dioxazine purple and some Amsterdam's permanent blue violet. This here is Artists Pearl Hot Pink. This is one I've never used before. This is Amsterdam's Persian Rose. I thought it would go really good with that pink. 24 karat gold with iridescent gold, DecoArt and Glidden. Sea Glass by TLP. And DecoArt's Peacock Pearl with Artists Loft metallic cobalt blue and some Golden's turquoise. So that's my lineup. I'm going to get the pillow paint down, Multi-Pro. Got my American Cell Activator. Video 141, and let's get this started. All right, everybody, we're on number 3. Number 3. Still want to have a little more purple show. All right, hot pink. Not sure what defines this as being hot. Hot pink. Persian Rose. Also, as a reminder, all the colors and recipes will be listed in the description below, so click on the title and everything will pop up. Gold. Sea glass. Let's quickly climb the ranks to one of my favorite colors, I'll tell you that. And the turquoise. Metallic cobalt blue. All right, let's give this thing some cell activator. The white. It's my video 141 if you're interested. Black. All right, everyone, so if you've watched me before, you've seen me talk through the blow. So what I want to do at first is blow straight into the cell activator to spread it out in as best a full circle as possible. Once I start to get a little ridge going and cells starting to form around the circle, then I'll very gently blow on an angle at that ridge and then push it forward over the paints and the paints over the pillow to try to spread that cell activator out and get those cells to start to form. And if you notice, I'm blowing down to start with and then lifting my head up as I'm pushing it out. Wow. When you're blowing, you're kind of, when you get the circle made, when you get the blowout started, and you go for the blow, you kind of blow a little bit down and then skim it. And sometimes you have to blow, you're blowing, and then blow a little extra at the end with your lungs from the bottom of your lungs. That makes a little extra push in the blowout. And I don't think I've ever talked about that before. And I have to always give credit, you know, even though I never talk about this, to Shelly Art. She is the mastermind behind the bloom, the recipe, and the technique. And I don't give credit enough there, but if you're not a member of Shelly Art, you might want to consider signing up, because even just for the recipes, which are out there anyway, the group on Facebook is fantastic. It really is a great group. If you have a question, a problem, somebody is always right there to say something and answer your questions with no BS, you know? Not like some places you go and you know, you don't really get a good answer, but those folks there, I'm telling you, really supportive. Okay, once again, cell activators work like a champ. Let's give this thing a spin out. Oh yeah, this is such a happy color combination. You can't look at this and be sad. Look at that color. So vibrant. So as we go through here, I'm going to cut out a little bit of the cleanup as we go. Yeah, and after my first one, I almost poured over it and scrapped this idea, this color combination. Sometimes I have to get my head examined. What I did is I took the first coaster upstairs and showed my husband, because he's a good neutral party. He gives critique and suggestions even. Wow, this is gorgeous. This in here is amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's stretch this a little bit. That'll stretch that a little bit. Yeah, you have to have somebody that gives you honest feedback, because oh my gosh, it's so beautiful all the time. Well, I know that's supportive, but for me, I mean, I've been in critique groups with oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I've been in writing critique groups right there, and you have to have honest critique to improve. To be told that everything is beautiful all the time is not... There's always something that can be improved. Wow, this is really pretty, if I say so myself. I think I'm going to be done with this. I don't know what else to do. This is really nice. So as I mentioned in a prior video, when you're cleaning your edges, you pull out and down, because this Multi-Pro house paint has a tendency to have snap. Pull out and down. Because if you pull it out and just pull it out and up, that snapback can happen right on top of the composition and ruin it for you. And you pull it down, so if it snaps anywhere, it snaps underneath. So here we go, folks. This is, I got it stuck. This is number 3. Very pretty, very pretty. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video and the little extra tidbit about the blowout and the snapback. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, comment, hit the bell and all, and a thumbs up. Otherwise, YouTube may not let your subscription stick. Also, at the end of this, I will have a link to my Bloom Coasters playlist if you want to see more color combinations and blowouts. Thanks a lot, everybody. Take care. Till next time.